So we're here to talk about some of the extras that come with the online leak detection training program as far as pools are concerned. When we talk about what it comes with, we're talking about a lot of the downloads that are there. And the downloads are sample contracts. Contracts of what we charge, how we propose our estimates, how we price out our leak detections, how we charge a flat rate for doing these leak detections. And all of this is very important as far as doing leak detections yourselves. By having all of this paperwork, it took us years to perfect some of this paperwork. And when you do our online leak detection training, you'll have access to all of these downloads. Again, the call log and the call sheet. Let me give you a quick example. When somebody's fielding the phone calls from a customer who has a leak in their swimming pool, we're asking very important questions for two reasons. Number one, to price out the leak detection so that they know what we're going to charge before we come out, and we always charge a flat rate. And number two is, we could start diagnosing from some of the questions that we ask, like, has any construction been done around the house? I just put in a kiddie fence, boom, alarms should go off in your head saying they could have drilled, they could have hit something, we just installed a fence, whatever it might be. So there's a list of questions that we ask from the phone call log that will actually help you start diagnosing the leak before you get there. And again, pricing out the pool before you get there. Another thing that we've added, and we keep adding to our series, is our repair program. Again, installing a proper skimmer, installing a proper return line through a wall, installing and fixing a vinyl liner, or doing a vinyl liner repair, whatever it might be. There's a whole series of a repair series on our leak detection training program. And again, we're constantly adding to that series. So for more information, visit LeakTronics.com and always check out our YouTube channel.